guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Muhi and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, yeah, and a lot more. And guys, today is going to be a super fun challenge. I am personally low-key nervous, like what are my friends going to pick. All my friends have such amazing taste in makeup and in general also, but in this video उन सबके टेस्ट आपस में मिक्स होने वाले हैं and in the end combination जो बनेगा उसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा nervous हूँ. I really don't know what they're gonna pick and I have given them no hints at all. So as you must have read by the title, my friends are going to pick my makeup and basically I'm going to call them one by one and ask them about different things. Like one is going to tell me what kind of foundation should I do, one will tell me what kind of eye look should I do, and so on. So if you are interested to know what my friends chose for me, then let's get started. Okay guys, so we'll start with the eyes, and for my eyes I'm gonna pick Shefali. She has an amazing taste in eye makeup and she in general also keeps on sending me different looks that try to recreate this and that, so let's call her. Shefali. Hello. Hi babe, what's up?
Hi baby.
क्या कर रही है? Oh, good morning. अच्छा Shefali, so I told you now that I'm filming that video. So the thing which I want you to decide is my eyeshadow look. So you can send me a picture also, or you can tell me like as it is. So whatever you suits you. Tell me.
Okay, so I think you have been doing like brown look and like pink look. So first of all, I'm going to give you some other color.
Okay.
And with since blue is your color, so I want you to do something with blue. And
Okay.
yellow is my favorite color, so I want you to add yellow in it.
Okay. So
Okay,
basically that.
I will be sending you a reference look.
Okay.
Right? You can either recreate it or like you can do something with yellow and blue on your own.
Okay.
वो देखिए.
Sounds very interesting and I hope बाकी सब जो मेकअप बताएं वो इसके साथ जेल कर जाए. ये ना हो कोई मुझे इसके साथ रेड लिपस्टिक बोल दे, so I don't know what will happen with this, but let's try.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, send me the picture.
See the complete look.
Done thing. Okay. Bye.
Okay, I'll be sending you the picture. Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, so the image is here. Okay. Oh my god, this is really amazing. So this is how the image looks like. Oh my god, I am not pretty sure that if I'll be able to recreate it, but I'm definitely going to try. So guys, I've prepped my face with moisturizer and stuff, so now we're gonna put on the concealer on my eyes and then just start with the eyeshadow. I'm not really mad about that she chose this look, but I will be mad if other people chose things which won't go with this look, because that is going to be a bummer. Okay, so in the picture she has like a dark blue shade on her crease and then a very light shade on her cut crease, and then she has hint bit of yellow here and there and a nice winged eyeliner, and the yellow look is like really awesome. So let's start with the blue, and the pigmented dark blue which I'm going to use is this one. This is by My Glam and this is All I Need palette. Okay, so I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow and just put it all over my crease and then we'll blend it out. This eyeshadow is quite pigmented as you can see, but I really don't know how I'm going to pull that look off because I've never done something crazy like that. This looks so dirty right now. I really don't know where am I taking this look ahead. I think now we'll go with the lighter blue shade. I really don't know how this look is going to turn out because it looks very off to me right now. Guys, I've removed that look because that was not looking good at all. So I'm gonna start from the scratch again and see if I can do something better this time. I'm glad I have not done my base yet. This time for my crease, I'm gonna take an angled brush because I think it'll do like better. I think this looks good. And now I'm gonna blend it with the blending brush, like the harsh lines. Okay, so for the cut crease, what we have to do is we have to take a little bit of concealer, apply a thin layer of the concealer, and then we have to go with the eyeshadow shade. Like, this looks so funny right now. Like, this is like one blue eye like full on my face. Oh my god. I think we're good with the concealer. We'll let it dry for a little bit and then we'll go with the light eyeshadow shade. And for that I'm going to use this Revolution palette. I hardly use this palette. It has all the bright shades you could ever dream of. And I think I'm gonna pick this shade or this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. So yeah. So I'm going to use this flat brush to do this, and I'm gonna take this light shade. Now I think I'll pull off this look. This will look good. Kudos to you, Shefali. अभी तक मैं बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं थी. Okay guys, so this is how the eye look is looking right now. I know it looks very blue, like this eye is blue and the rest of the face is like blah. But I think the look is looking really nice. So let's compare once and let's see how good we have done. Okay, so for the blues we have done quite a decent job, and we still have to put something of that yellow, and I think we'll put it by the end of the look. I'm gonna repeat the same on this eye, and then we'll ask all my other friends to pick up the rest of the makeup, and then we'll complete the eye later, like we'll do the lower lash line and rest of the stuff later. So let me just do this other eye off camera and then call rest of my friends. Okay guys, so I'm done with my second eye also, and it really feels so different, like everything's blue right here. And now we're gonna do the foundation, and for my foundation I wanted to ask who else than Gargi. So I'm gonna quickly call her and ask her if I should go for like a light base or if I should go for like a heavy coverage full foundation. I personally hope she says like full coverage, because this look demands a full coverage base. Hello?
Yes.
What's up? Acha, so tell me, the thing I'm giving you is foundation. So tell me, I should go for like a light coverage, like a medium coverage, or I should go for like a full face of foundation, like proper wala foundation, high coverage.
अच्छा, तो तुम मुझे आइस के बारे में बता सकती हो कि मतलब
That is the challenge ना, कि सब आपस में क्या choose करेंगे. Yeah. Oh yay! But Shefali has given me such a dark eyeshadow look, so I wanted you to pick a full coverage foundation because medium उसके साथ बिल्कुल नहीं जाता. So I'm glad. Yay!
I was playing safe only.
Oh, thank you. Love you. Bye bye.
Yes, bye.
So guys, I'm so happy that she chose like a full coverage base. So I am going to go in with my two concealers, one to conceal and one to highlight, and then I'm going to go with my full coverage foundation, which is the Maybelline Super Stay, and let's get started. Okay, so now my base is done and now my makeup looks little better than before. So for my blush and contour, I'm gonna call Deepthi and ask her. I think she is not personally a contour person and she hardly contours. I have personally never seen her contouring. So let's ask.
Hello.
Hi babe, what's up?
Good, good time.
बढ़िया. अच्छा यार, मैं ना वो वीडियो बना रही हूँ. So tell me. You have to tell me blush and contour कि मैं blush कैसा लगाऊँ, peach लगाऊँ, pink लगाऊँ, and contour करूँ नहीं करूँ, कैसा करूँ, harsh, full face या bronze करूँ या क्या करूँ बताओ.
Blush pink.
Okay.
और contour मुझे इतना है नहीं वैसे इतना. देखो ठीक लगे.
नहीं देख, बताना तो तू नहीं है, तो अब तू मुझे ये बता दे कि मैं bronze करूँ कि contour करूँ. Bronze होता है थोड़ा light and contour like proper होता है. Like a
light.
Bronze. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Guys, I told you now she's not a contour person, and I was personally expecting only a bronzer from her. So I'm gonna bronze my face up, and for that I'm going to use the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. This is a nice bronzer, and you can see I've used a lot of this. So I'm gonna just bronze my face. I personally feel contour would have looked better with this look, but we're gonna do with what they say today. Okay guys, so my bronzer is done, and for my blush I'm going to use the Sugar palette, and this is Contour de Force, and I'm gonna take this pink blush right here and I'm gonna apply it. I think blush तो इस look के साथ कोई भी चल जाता, pink भी and peach भी, so we played quite safe there. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna call Simi and I'm gonna ask her if I should go for an eyeliner or no, or if I should go for false eyelashes or no. And the kind of person she is, I'm pretty sure she's gonna say no eyeliner, no eyelashes, but that's gonna ruin my look. So I personally hope that she says ki Mohini, yeah, go all out and put on eyelashes, because I think she in her life has never put on eyelashes. So let's ask. Hi, what's up?
Nothing with office work.
Okay.
What else?
Okay, achha, so tell me, should I apply a eyeliner or I should not apply a eyeliner? And also tell me, should I go for false eyelashes or just mascara?
Okay.
Yeah.
I think go for the eyeliner and false lashes.
Oh yeah, you saved the look. Personally, मुझे लगा था तू तो eyelashes लगाती नहीं, will never give me eyelashes, and उसके बिना.
But I don't apply, but I like them.
Okay.
It's not like I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, so you saved my look basically. When you will see the video, you will realize what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, yes. Right.
Yes, bye bye. So guys, Simi just saved my look. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera, put on my lashes, put on my eyeliner, basically complete the eye look, and then be right back in a minute. Oh my god guys, it wasn't recording. I'm so sorry and I'm so sad. I really don't know what happened. Okay guys, so I'll tell you what happened. Like पिछले 10 minutes में कुछ record नहीं हुआ, and I'll quickly tell you what all happened behind the camera. Like actually in front of the camera, but I really don't know why it was not recording. So I called up Gurleen and I asked her about my eyebrows and my highlighter. So I asked her what kind of eyebrows should I go for, like a boxy one or a natural one, and Gurleen being Gurleen, she chose a boxy one. I am so sad that I don't have their recordings, like their voice recordings also, to put in this video, because I was like, camera record kar to raha hai. So she said ki that's the fun, go all out and do something different, do not put highlighter at all and just do a boxy eyebrow. And that's how my eyebrows look, this boxy. And then I called up Mannat and I asked her what kind of lipstick should I go for, and should I go for a pink or a red or a nude. And she said this lips right here, and I was so praying that she should not pick up any red or pink, because that would have ruined the look. And I'm so glad she chose, like, she chose a specific brown shade. So she chose a brown ombre. So she asked me to put a dark brown shade and like a nude shade inside. So that's what I've done right here. This is nice brown ombre lips, and that's how I came up with this look. And I'm so sad it wasn't recording, and I feel very bad right now. But nonetheless, the makeup look is complete, and this looks quite bombastic, and the main credit goes to Shefali, because she chose this blue eye look. And thank you to all my friends who participated. I love you all so much, and thank you for participating. And let me know in the comments in मेरी friends के साथ आप क्या मेरे fun challenges और देखना चाहते हो. And I'll come up with more challenges super soon. And this is how the look is looking right now. So we'll put some b-rolls now, and then we'll end the video. So guys, this is a look which I would not have worn अगर मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना होता, but this looks amazing. I am so in love with this blue eyeshadow with a little hint of yellow, and it looks amazing, and I'm very happy with all what my friends chose, and I really like this look. And even without highlighter, my face is like glowing because that is good skincare, and the makeup looks bomb, and I really like it. So that was it for this video. I have done a video quite similar to this in the past, in which I asked YouTubers that what kind of makeup should I do, and instead of giving them what kind of makeup, I asked them like I gave them 2 products like Lakme foundation, Maybelline, then pick one, which foundation should I go for. And if you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me getting painted and all of this, and I really enjoyed this. This took me like 3 hours to film this video. I thought I'll be done in like 1 hour, but it really took me 3 hours, and I am really happy with the outcome. It looks amazing, and thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Comment करके जाना किसका आपको आंसर सबसे अच्छा लगा among my friends, मतलब जो भी है ना. Okay, bye.